Hello everyone, I'm delighted to say hello to you on behalf of the tuning nursing group in the CalohE project. My name is Mary Goby and along with Maria Kunun, we are the co-coordinators of the nursing group within the CalohE project, about which I'm just about to explain. So greetings from Southampton, where it's cold and a little bit dry on the middle of the south coast. This particular project is a follow-on project. It's part of Erasmus Plus under the European Forward-Looking Cooperation Projects in the fields of education and training. And the actual title is a real mouthful, and it's called Measuring and Comparing Achievements of Learning Outcomes in Higher Education in Europe. And this has been shortened to CalohE. So I'm going to use that from now on because it is rather a mouthful. The purpose of the project is to address three questions, and it's part of an overall aim, and this is the second project, trying to address three questions. The first question is, do students enrolled in higher education around Europe develop the competencies they need? Are the programmes that they study delivering on their promises? And third, can we learn to compare students' achievements in different countries in a meaningful way? So this particular project will hope to find the answers to these questions, and the aim is to develop an infrastructure that will eventually make it possible to test bachelor's and master's performance Europe-wide across a range of subjects and fields in a way that meets the needs of the various stakeholders in the European higher education community. At the moment, the project covers 5 subject areas and 5 significant and different academic domains: engineering, civil engineering, healthcare, represented by nursing, humanities, with history as the focus, natural sciences, using physics, and social sciences, incorporating education and teacher training. The methodology developed, we hope, will be common, and because we've got such a diverse range of subject areas, then hopefully it will be applicable to other fields of study. We hope the methodology will be similar at the end, but we know the methodology has to be sufficient to be able to adopt those many nuances and differences and characteristics held by each subject area and each domain. Some are more diverse in the European space, like nursing, than others where there is more commonality in terms of what perhaps the science might constitute. But even so, within a particular programme, a local programme may have its flavour, and some subject areas and domains have national standards to meet or international standards, like civil engineering, for example, but the flavour of the programme may be different. So we need to understand when we can make reasonable and meaningful and valid comparisons, and where it is folly to do so. So who's in the nursing group? Well, the nursing group, we have 7 countries: Belgium, Estonia, Finland, Ireland, Italy, Malta, Slovenia, and the UK. So as you can see, again, we're quite a diverse group, representing not only different traditions and styles of nursing, but also different types of countries, hot and cold, north and south, west and east. So far in the project, from the nursing perspective, we have refined the existing nursing tuning competencies at levels 6 and 7 of the Bologna process. Once we've done that, we compared these tuning competencies with those from our own institutions and national frameworks. We've managed to identify where we have competencies in common and where there are differences, and we're now going to study the competencies that are in common to see if we can identify assessment strategies that again are meaningful and valid and absolutely represent the theoretical and practical and ethical values that are within our dearly beloved profession. So that's where we are now. Inevitably, COVID has led to a delay, but of course that's been fascinating for us and important for us because we're at the heart of the pandemic as a profession. And so we can see whether the competencies that we currently hold actually stand the test of time or do need refinement, and how comparable are they in the real world of nursing practice, research, education and management. So greetings again from Maria and I. We hope you celebrate Erasmus Day well and look forward to seeing you hopefully sometime again. Bye bye.